This is a customized infrared welding machine with 2 stations. Let's see how it works. First, we put the 2 filters to be welded onto the fixture. And then put the caps onto the mold. Then turn the panel to the automatic panel. Press the start button with both hands, and the infrared welder starts working automatically. Now, the IR lights start to melt the caps in the 4 molds. Then the 2 hot plates enter the working position and melt the filter. Then the IR light fixture is down and the filter goes through the slide to the welding area. The caps and the filter begin to fuse and cool. Now the product is welded. Let's take a look at the welded product. Both sides are welded smoothly with no overflow. The filter inside the cap is also very white. It has not been yellowed by excessive heating. The infrared welding was a success.